What's up? It's me, the one and only Ashley Apollo. If you don't know, now you know, period. As y'all can see by the title, y'all should already know what this video is about to be about. We about to get straight to the money. Straight to the money. Okay? So this is a story time about my sugar daddy experience. Woo! So, how did I get into, how did I start sugar daddy? It was like, I finally got into what a sugar daddy was and found out the details and stuff about it my senior year of high school. I remember I was in class. I was in language arts class, and me and the homegirls, whatever, we were sitting there and we was like, I'm ready to get to the money. Sitting in class is cool, working these little jobs is cool, but I want big bank take little bank, period. So we was let's look up sugar daddies and stuff and see what that is. So we looking it up and we researching what it is exactly, what is these girls doing. So on the website it was girls telling stories how they just went on dates and got their rent paid, and some girls, one girl, she was just having a online sugar daddy, they would just FaceTime and Skype and he would pay her for just talking to him. And I'm just so somebody gonna pay for me to just sit and talk with them and just laugh and yeah. Oh, sign me up, period, no tampon. So we got on this little website, one of the top sugar daddy website. If you don't know it, Google type sugar daddy website and yeah. But so we went on that website, we created an account or whatever, and you just create your account and you wait. So dudes will start favoriting you on the account, they'll favorite you and then they'll message you or whatever. You can favorite them back and then they'll message you. So most of the guys on that website are corporate as hell, and they're really discreet about it because, girl, get back there, dang, all up in the front trying to have your little time. Anyways, so most of the dudes on the website are very discreet because most of them are corporate businessmen. They don't need their co-workers and partners knowing I'm trading, So on the website it tells you it'll tell you what the guys are looking for, how much money they're making yearly, I think, their net worth, they're married, have kids, whole spectrum, whatever. And then they're I forgot what it's called on the website, but it's basically how much they're willing to give their sugar baby. It'll say moderate, high, negotiable, whatever. So when I got on the website, a couple of dudes liked me or whatever, and wanted to arrange a meetup or date or whatever, but most of the time they was always giving me real just horny dog, just bitch show your ass. And I was well, this was senior year in high school, so it's I'm just playing, y'all. I ain't really gonna fuck no old ass man for no money. That's prostitution. No. So I wasn't really with it. I was just no, I can't be a sugar baby because I don't want to give up no sugar to no old man, because at that point I'm not a sugar baby, I'm a 304, and that is not, I am not the pretty hoe. That's just not that. So I kind of got off, gradually got away from the app and just started living my life. So I went back on the website I want to say last year, because I was living in Japan and it was this job is not working it, this money ain't working it, I have a lifestyle to maintain, I like nice things, I need a little extra. So I went back on the app and revamped my profile, whatever, updated it, whatever, and then just waited, and of course the money gonna come. I'll never worry about that. The money came. They was likely so the sugar daddies would like me or whatever, and message me. So it was one sugar daddy that stood out, because he stood out because he wasn't ugly, like an old, because a lot of them are just old and ugly and it's like bare belly, like ugh. He was like, he wasn't bomb, he was like doable. Like I could sit in front of you without being like so me and him started chatting, whatever, we talking, you know, and of course he was like, you know, what kind of arrangement are you looking for, how available are you, like what is your, like what you want, like what's your zhush. So I was like, you know, I'm looking for a platonic arrangement, meeting maybe like once or twice a month, maybe 3 times depending on the chemistry, whatever, because like when you talk to sugar daddies, like you gotta, your game gotta be different, you gotta be on some, you gotta be classy like this, not like this, you know what I'm saying? So so I told him that and he was like that's fine, because he was looking for an arrangement where, you know, the meetups were like twice a month or whatever. So then he asked me, no, I asked him, yes, I asked him, I was like, so what is your allowance budget, like, you know, because sugar daddies, they don't like to call it like they're paying you for your time, it's more like they're giving you a monthly allowance, kind of like some sugar daddies, they'll pay you by like the month, like every month you'll get like, you know, whatever, your 5,000 a month, or they'll do it like per date, like, you know, you get your money every time you see him, he'll pay you to whatever the hell, you know, or like some, you know, they'll just pay a bill for you. Like it all depends on like what you and your sugar daddy have arranged and discussed. So I asked him, like, you know, what's your allowance budget or whatever, like what are, you know, what is your range? He was like, oh, I'm looking for something around like 60,000 per meet. 60 who? Huh? Excuse me? $60,000. Oh girl, that's all I need to hear. Girl, $60,000, baby, I was showing up to work just. Hi. Oh no, I don't work, I'm sorry. Oh I'm sorry, I can't pick that up for you, I'm sorry. Oh, don't get too close. Sorry, real raccoon. Thank you. Like girl, $60,000, I text all my bitches and hey, y'all can quit y'all jobs, drop out of school, we good, I got this. Like what? And then he wanted to meet twice a month? Really? Oh yeah, definitely, we can definitely work something out. So I said, oh yeah, we can definitely go ahead and meet up, so whenever you're ready, pretty much here for you. There we go. So I was just like, oh girl, we hit the jackpot. We hit the jackpot. Then I remember asking him like how would he like me to receive payment, because like some sugar daddies, they'll give you like your own like bank card with their bank and they'll like put the money in your account, or some sugar daddies want to like have you use like an app, like I don't know, maybe Cash App or some other apps they use, I forgot the name of them, but they'll use and they'll put your money in there. So I asked him like how would he like me to receive my payment. This man said cash. He said, oh, we could just do cash. Oh, we definitely the fuck can. Oh yeah, we definitely can. Oh girl, when I tell you, baby, when I tell you, she's rich. She's rich. Period. So, and this was all happening, like all this communication was happening like throughout the week. So it was like, because I know we planned to go on a date, I think it was a Saturday. So all of this was going on throughout like the whole week, and me and him going back and forth and talking and whatever, getting to know each other. And I remember like through the week, I forgot what happened. Like I was doing something, like he asked me like what I was doing or whatever, and I think I said like shopping or at the store or something along those lines, like something like, you know, doing, you know, my shit. So he asked me, he was like, oh really? And then he was like, what's your Cash App? So I'm like, duh. Shit, so I'm like, Ashley Apollo 2 L's. Shit. So he asked me what's my Cash App, and then he sent me like $300, and I was like, I can definitely get used to this. Get used to this. This nigga is paying for my groceries. He's paying for my groceries, and he ain't even got the groceries. He ain't gonna eat it like the groceries. Oh girl, when I tell you, like, all I had to do is say, oh yeah, you know, nothing, I'm just shopping, running errands. And he's, oh, what's your Cash App? That's fine. paid for. Don't worry about it. He ain't too much worried about it. Really? Really? Oh, girl, you couldn't tell me nothing. You couldn't tell me nothing. So that's, I think that happened like somewhere like mid between the week or something. Like something like that. So I'm just like, oh my goodness. So I think it was like a couple days before we were about to meet. And I remember I told my, I had a little homie. And I told him like, look, this was about to go down. I'm about to go meet this old man, have go on a date, you know, him give me dinner or whatever. But I don't know him, like he's crazy. So I need you to like, you know, hide in the bush, have a bottle in your hand, ready to crack him in the head just in case, you know, things go that way. You know, and I'll break you off a little, you know, a little something for your services. Because at this point, girl, I'm rich. This man is giving me $60,000 just to meet him. And I told him I was shopping and he just sent me $300. Oh, yeah. Like, I got the money to just blow. Yeah, I could pay you to do this, do this, do this. So, anyways, the homie was like, you know, yeah, I'll come, make sure you straight. Boom. So, it was like the day before me and him met. So, it was a Friday. Yeah, we were supposed to meet that Saturday. Yeah, so it was a Friday. And something told me, something told me, ask if this man means 60,000 in Japanese yen or American. And so I asked him, I said, just for clarification, is this $60,000 in American dollars or Japanese yen? This man said, oh, Japanese yen, of course. Wait, what? What? And for those of you who don't know, the breakdown for Japanese money is $1 is called 1,000 yen. It's the same value, like it's still like a dollar, like you can get a bottle of water, but it's called 1,000 yen. And then it goes on like $2, 2,000 yen, so on and so forth. So if someone says 60,000 yen, they mean roughly that's about $600 in American money. So this man meant to say that he was going to pay me $600 to meet him and go out with him or whatever. Yeah. Bitch, y'all don't know how fucking irritated I was. Really? Really? I thought I was going to be rich, quit my job. And some people was like, girl, that still is a lot. That's good. When your mind is set to $60,000 and it goes down to $600, like, it's different. I don't want to hear what nobody got to say. Like, if you, like, my mind was in a whole nother space. Like, I was really like, I'm quitting this job. All my friends are getting Chanel bags. I'm buying a Rolls Royce by the end of the year. Period. Like, you get what I'm saying? And for you to say $600, so once he said that, I was like, I don't even remember what I said after that, because after that my mind was just like, y'all, really? Like, I text my friends like, y'all, bought this man, really? I was so irritated. So I think I just like gradually stopped talking to him. Like, I just stopped talking to him, or I stopped replying or something like that. I don't know what happened, honestly. Don't really remember. But I just know I ain't meet up with him on that Saturday. I know that much. Like, no. That's irritating. So after that, I ain't really been sugar daddying no more. I was just like, this ain't for me. It don't work. I'm gonna just keep doing what I do. Keep living my life. And that's just gonna be that, because I ain't got time for you to be playing with my emotions, okay? Because I just came here to dance for y'all, and that's it. Period. So, yeah. So, that is my sugar daddy experience. That is what I went through with my sugar daddy. So, I'm not saying sugar daddying isn't good, because, like, one of my friends, she does it, and my baby got her car paid off with it. Like, she's doing it, but she give up sugar. So I don't know, there are sugar daddies out there that, you know, don't want sex and just want to like time and want you to just rub on their kneecaps, or I don't know. But I don't have the patience to be sitting here looking and going through dates and entertaining, and like I just don't have time for that. It takes sugar daddy, it just takes a lot of time. Girl, no, you're being rude. And yeah, there are sugar daddies that don't want like sugar from me, but I don't have the time to sit there and find them. Like, I don't have the patience to be sitting there and going on dates, lunch, brunches, talking, listening to you about your wife and your old ass kids. I don't. So that was my sugar daddy experience, and you know, that was that.